Hello guys, welcome to our channel again, PS Technology India. Here we came with a one more project, that is the AC voltage and AC current, as well as DC voltage and DC current measurement. You can see here we are using a Blynk IoT app, Blynk 2.0, and for voltage measurement you can see here I use a ZMPT101 and a current sensor to measure the current, and for as a controller for connecting the Wi-Fi or cloud connectivity, we use a ESP32 board that is used to connect the data or transfer the data to the app, Blynk IoT app. So here you can see three resistance are used. We use a 10 kilo ohm two resistance and 100 ohm one resistance to make a potential divider circuit that is used to measure the voltage as well as current across it. Now first of all we connect to our device to the hotspot part of our mobile as mentioned in code. Now I am switching on the board to provide the supply to the circuit. Here you can see in app voltage is showing 171 volt. That yeah, here you can find the voltage 300 volt, then it stabilize itself 176 voltage. Similarly the current also stabilize in 64 ampere. Now 20 ampere. After first of all, when we provide the supply, the current increases slightly, and after that current is stabilized at their actual value, and you can get the voltage and current, AC voltage and current here. Now now we are going to test how to check the current and voltage of DC circuit, of DC voltage and current across the circuit. Now to measure the DC voltage and current, we use the Arduino controller as well as ESP8266 to connect the Wi-Fi as here. And here I am using a 200 ohm resistance and 5 kilowatt each, so 10 kilowatt resistance is used, and in parallel then to measure the voltage and current. And it is used to similarly as we used in AC circuit to make a potential divider circuit that can measure the current as well as voltage also. So here we are using a telnet app. You can see here I am using a telnet app. First of all, you can use the Wi-Fi credential. So first of all, switch on Wi-Fi, then it find out the connections. Here you can see ESP8266 connected. Now we can go to our app. Now here you can see the voltage as well as current. The voltage is showing that 12.21 volt, and current is 0.06 milliampere. It is showing in milliampere. Now you can increase the load or decrease the load, then you can vary the current also. And voltage is stable because we are using a 12 volt supply. Here you can see we are using a 12 volt adapter, 12 volt 1 ampere adapter, so it provides the supply to the circuit. That's why it is showing 12 volt. And here the load is connected. This resistance are here. I am connecting the three resistance. When we remove the connectivity of these resistance, you can see now I removed the resistance, means the load. Then you can see here the current is 0.00. Now again here you can see I disconnected the load. Again when we connect the load, the current comes up to its previous value. When we reduce the resistance here, then the current can vary similarly by milliampere, and the capacity here, to measure the voltage and current is for 3 ampere and voltage up to 32 volt. So finally we build the AC and DC voltage and current measurement. You can say that it is a IoT controlled AC and DC voltage and current measurement circuit. So if you think it is useful for your project or in any industrial work, so you can subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.